Alright, so in this video guys, I'll be showing you how to remove logo and watermark from images. Peradventure you just downloaded one stock image and there's a watermark on it or there's a logo on it, just like the one you are seeing on my screen right now. I'll be showing you how you can remove watermark and logo without any blur, like there will not be any traces of a logo there before or any traces of a watermark there. So we'll be using two platforms to do this right away, and I'll be using my smartphone. So that means even you can do it right there easily on your smartphone. So for us to do this, you need to go to a website. So I will go to my Chrome browser and I'll search for this website right away. So I'll drop the link to the website in the description. Peradventure you want an easy access to the website. So simply go to a website called watermarkremover.io. Once you search this website, this page will load up for you. So you can see the website. This is what the interface looks like. So let's wait for this to load. Awesome. Can you see that? So on this website, you can remove watermark from your pictures, from your images. You can even remove watermark that comes in form of a text. Do you understand? So some watermark are in form of logos, some are in form of text. Irrespective of the type of watermark, you can do everything on this platform. So simply upload the image by clicking on this button you can see down here. So once you click on the button, so I'll just upload one of the stock images I just downloaded. So I'll upload this particular one up here. So I'll click on done. So let's wait for this to upload. So the good thing about this platform is once you upload that image, they will automatically remove the watermark by themselves. You don't need to start erasing anything. You don't need to start cleaning anything. So now let's check what we have right here. Can you see? Like magic, automatically they removed the watermark for us. Can you see? The first one has iStock and credits, while the down picture there's nothing like that there. Can you see? Automatically they helped us remove the watermark. And if peradventure you uploaded yours and it was not removed, so just come down here and click on remove logo. Just switch it on. Do you understand? Switch it on, and if it's text, just switch it on also. Then you regenerate the image, and that way the logo will disappear or the watermark will disappear. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? That's very simple. So with this website, you can be able to remove any logo, any watermark from any image. Just simple as that, using just your smartphone. Let's go ahead and download it so that you see that it can be downloaded to your phone. So I just go down, then I'll tap on download. So once I tap on download, you can see it's downloading already and it has downloaded. This is it right here on my phone, just so clean. Can you see? So let me just show you guys the second method you can go about removing watermark from your images. So I can see that there's a little text down here. So let's see how we can remove that too. Let's click on remove text. Let's experiment that. So once I click on remove text, you'll see what will happen. Awesome. Can you see that? The text that was showing earlier up here is no more showing down there. This platform is just magic, guys. It's magic. Can you see that? We were able to remove everything totally. I just noticed that before, like after downloading that image. So this time around, you can now go ahead and download it. You can see that I had to switch on the remove text button. So now let's download it again. Then you see that nothing will show on the image. Alright, so let me click on open again. Can you see? The text that was showing down here is no more showing again. So that's just very simple. So the second way you can go about removing logos and watermark or text from your images is through Canva. So this time around, you need to get access to Canva Pro to do this particular one. So for me, I already have Canva Pro on my phone. If you don't have Canva Pro, just search how to get Canva Pro for free on YouTube. Then you see a lot of videos regarding that. I used to have a video on that, but it was taken down by YouTube due to copyright issues. So right here on this platform, using my Canva Pro account, I will show you how you can remove logo or watermark using Canva Pro. For us to do this right here, first thing first is you need to upload the image you want to work on. You need to upload the image you want to work on. So I'll make use of the YouTube thumbnail template. So once I click on that, then they will give me a blank page. So let's wait for this to load. All right, it has loaded. So I don't want to use any of the templates here. So I'll just go back so I can have my blank page. So then I'll upload the image that I want to work on. So I'll go to my gallery. So let's make use of another image. So let's make use of this particular image right here. So you can see the image has been uploaded. So let me now enlarge it so that it covers the whole template. So you can see that even though it is not covering everything, if you want it to cover the whole template so that there will not be any white showing behind, go to your Magic Studio. Once you're on your Magic Studio, you click on Magic Expand. Where is Magic Expand? Exactly. So click on Magic Expand, then you see this will cover the whole image. So over here, tap on whole page, then you click on Magic Expand. So we live in an interesting age. So let's wait for this to complete. So inside this tutorial, you are still learning another tutorial. I'm sure you don't know of this feature before. Can you see it has expanded and now it's on the whole image. It's on the whole background. Can you see that? So, and if you don't want that feature, then you can go back and cancel it. Let's make use of the original image. So let's now go ahead with why we are here by removing the watermark on this image. So for you to do that, just go to your Magic Studio again. So Magic Studio, then over here you tap on Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser. So once you click on Magic Eraser, so right here you'll be given a brush which you can use to erase the watermark. And if I should move this brush size, you get to see the brush on the screen. Can you see? So now what we'll do now is we'll just choose a brush size that is equivalent to the watermark we want to remove. So I think this is perfect. So I'll just go ahead and brush the watermark. Very simple. I'll go ahead and brush the watermark. Something like this. Are you seeing, guys? So once you brush the watermark, then you click on erase down here. So let's click on erase and let's wait for the image to load. Can you see it is erasing, guys? And can you see there's nothing showing on the screen again, like the watermark has disappeared. And you can repeat the same process for this one down here too. So let's repeat the same process. Magic Eraser. So let's repeat the same process by going to Magic Studio again, then Magic Eraser. Then you brush the text that we want to clean. So I just did that. Can you see? So let's click on erase. Let's tap on erase for us to see the end product. Can you see it has disappeared? And we've been able to successfully remove the watermark from this image using Canva. So once you're done with this, just go ahead and download your image by tapping on this download button up here and click on download. So you can download it as PNG or JPEG, any of the two. So it's downloading. Simple, guys. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Let's go and check what we downloaded. Can you see? It has removed. No watermark, no logo, no text, nothing. I believe we got value from this video. And if you did, guys, please just drop a comment in the comment section how valuable it was to you. And share this video with your friends so that they can also get value from this video. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.